Now, as far as you are concerned, this is actually just another curve. It's not in your syllabus, but you just have to know it's some weird curve. So if you were to just bring out a Desmos curve, you can't plot it using a GC. Your GC doesn't have that function to plot that. So I mean, in your spare time, if you can visualize it, right, it will help you to understand what's going on. Okay, so for this question here, I'm looking at x squared minus bxy plus y squared equals to 2b plus 3. Then you just add a b up. So it's a very cool kind. You see this thing here? It's actually a slanted ellipse. Okay, so what you're going to do is actually you're just going to press play. You see that as b changes, right, it changed from an ellipse to a slanted hyperbola. Okay, just so you know. So that's the beauty about this part here. So the question now is, you need the tangent to be parallel to y-axis. So y equals to, x equals to a. So say the question now is like, okay, what are the, so obviously this one has got a vertical tangent, right? But not all the b have. When it approaches to a hyperbola, then it will not have a this one will not have any tangent at all, vertical or horizontal. Okay, so that's the question they're asking. So how do you go about doing this? Okay, how do you go about doing this? So we look at this. Parallel to y-axis, which just means that dy dx tends to infinity. It means the denominator tends to 0. Okay, so we just differentiate it first. So x squared minus bxy plus y squared equals to 2b plus 3. So differentiate with respect to x. So this will be 2x minus b x dy dx plus y times 1. Okay, this one you know. So basically this is u and v lah. U v prime plus v u prime. Okay, if you are confused. So then after that, plus 2y dy dx plus equals to 0. So this is all right. Make dy dx a subject. So dy dx would have 2y minus bx. Okay. Equals to by minus 2x. Okay. So this part here, what we're going to do? We're going to dy dx equals to by minus 2x, 2y minus bx. All right. This is it. Now, if you want the tangent parallel to y-axis, means dy dx will tend to infinity. Means the bottom will become 0. Becomes 0. So means 2y y equals to b over 2x. Okay, this is what you want. Means you need to satisfy this equation here. Okay, you need to satisfy this equation here. Now, the weekly assignment, actually yesterday we did same, is actually the same thing. It's always the same concept. When you're stuck here, right, like you don't understand this, you see the line which were cut by here, you see when you draw this one, this y equals to b over 2x, right? It's actually a line passes through origin, right, with the gradient of b over 2. It's actually a straight line. Okay, so in other words, right, you're looking at this part here. So y equals to b over 2x. Like that, okay? You get what I'm saying? So do you see this one? Especially this line here is exactly where your vertical tangent should be. Pretty, very, very pretty. Okay, so you could actually do it by just putting a play button. I'll show you how. You see? So it will always be sorry. So this part here, This will be the vertical line here. Vertical tangent here will be vertical tangent. This is obviously a circle. Here will be vertical tangent. Okay, that's the beautiful part. So now, so the point that you're looking at satisfy this equation. Don't forget that this will satisfy it will satisfy in order for you to find this point here, this line equation here will also satisfy the curve equation. So what you need to do is just sub 1 into 2 lah. Okay, sub into the curve. It will also satisfy the curve equation. So this part here, you get sub 1 into 2. This type of question, just sub the y value back into the curve. Okay, the rationale is because of what I just showed you, but typically is not understood it clearly because you don't visualize it as a graphing problem. But if you visualize it as a graphing problem, it's much easier. This will be x squared minus bx, b over 2 x. My goodness. I am doing it very slowly, painfully. Okay, so this part here is okay lah. So x squared minus b squared over 2x squared. What is this? Okay, this is x squared minus 1/4 b squared x squared 2b plus 3. Okay, yeah. Multiply with 4 throughout, then this will be x squared. So this will be 4x. Ta-da! Okay, that's how you do it.